Welcome, builders of the future. Let's build smarter and faster together.
Today, we're cracking the code behind formulas and functions in Excel. These are your secret weapons for working smarter and automating tasks that would otherwise take hours. Do you know what the difference between a formula and a function is? Or how they're classified? If not, you're in the right place. Let's dive in.
Let's start with the basics.
A formula in Excel is any calculation that you write yourself. For example,
Equals A2 plus B2.
that's a formula. It simply adds the value in cell A2 to the value in cell B2. You can combine operators like plus, minus, multiply, or divide to create your own calculations.
A function, on the other hand, is a predefined tool built into Excel. Functions have specific names and purposes. For example, equals sum, A1 to A5.
That's a function. It adds all the values from cell A1 to A5 automatically.
So, in simple terms,
A formula is anything you create using operators. A function is a built-in calculation that performs a specific job.
why does this difference matter?
Understanding formulas and functions helps you build more powerful spreadsheets. For example, formulas let you create custom calculations tailored to your business. Functions save you time because they're tested, reliable, and often handle complex logic you'd rather not write yourself. Learning both gives you the confidence to automate, analyze, and impress your team or your clients. Here are some of the main categories. Math and trigonometry, like sum, round, or abs. Statistical, like average, median, or count if. Text, like left, right, concat, or text join. Logical, like if, and, or, and if error. Lookup and reference, like VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, index, and match. Date and time, like today, now, year, and date diff. Financial, like PMT for loan calculation. Information, like is number or is text. Dynamic arrays, like filter, sort, unique. Understanding these groups helps you find the right tool faster. It also makes it easier to learn new functions. Let's talk about the top 10 essential formulas and functions you should master in Excel. These are the building blocks for almost anything you'll do. Sum adds numbers quickly. Average finds the mean of a range of numbers. Count counts numeric cells. Count A counts all non-empty cells. Count if counts cells that match a condition. If performs logic tests and returns values based on true or false. VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP finds information in tables. Concat or text join combines text from multiple cells. Max finds the highest value in a range. Min finds the lowest value in a range. With these 10, you'll cover at least 80% of everyday Excel tasks. Here's why this matters. Mastering formulas and functions isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about automation. When you know how to build powerful formulas and leverage functions, you save time, reduce errors, and build smarter spreadsheets. Whether you're creating reports, dashboards, or financial models, these tools help you work faster and make better decisions. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into formulas and functions in Excel. Remember, formulas equals calculations you create. Functions equals built-in tools that save time. Keep exploring these tools. They're the foundation of automation and smart work in Excel. In the next session, we will start reviewing and understanding macros. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite Excel function. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from CyberCrafted. This is CyberCrafted. Build smarter and faster. See you in the next video.